Attention! This video is made for scientific and educational purposes. The video does not violate YouTube's rules. Link to the document with links to the original video and quotes in the description. Hi! Welcome to the news of the world of weapons. Today we will tell you about fighting the Chinese military with murder hornets using flamethrowers. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends on social networks. We remind you that this video is of a scientific and educational nature and does not violate the rules of YouTube. Link to the document with links to all video sources and quotes in the description. A new series of propaganda pictures out of China suggests that the People's Liberation Army Ground Forces, otherwise known as the Chinese Arm, is still using tried and true flamethrowers. An invention dating back to World War I, the PLA is one of the world's few holdouts, though their use against China's own murder hornet population might prompt the US Army to break out its own flame projectors. According to China Defense Blog, the Chinese Army is keeping its flamethrowers just as it is modernizing its force structure. Flamethrowers are still part of the table of organization and equipment for the combat engineering companies of the Army's new combined arms brigades. Like the US Army and other armies, the PLA is moving from larger divisions to smaller, more agile brigades. Flamethrowers were invented by the German Army in World War I and quickly copied by most of the industrialized powers. Flamethrowers are typically used by combat engineers to inject a jet of flame through the bunker's narrow opening, incinerating anyone inside. The US and Soviet armies fielded flamethrowers during the early years of the Cold War, but the weapons had been removed from service by the 1970s. Flamethrowers rarely have a range greater than 150 feet, and the widespread adoption of fully automatic weapons makes it very difficult for flamethrower carriers to get their weapons within range of a bunker or other target. China's service flamethrower is the Type 74, itself originally based on the Soviet LPO-50. The flamethrower consists of 2 tanks of thickened gasoline, giving a total firing time of 2 to 3 seconds, with an effective range of 40 to 50 meters 131 to 164 feet. The gasoline is ignited by a starter system that uses blank gun cartridges. Recent developments may force the US Army to change its position on flamethrowers. As almost everyone is aware, entomologists recently discovered colonies of the deadly V. mandarinia, otherwise known as the murder hornet, in Canada and the United States. In 2013, the Chinese Army used a flamethrower to destroy a 5-foot-wide murder hornet nest resting 100 feet in the air. Hornets from the nest had reportedly already killed one person and the locals refused to take any more chances. Write in the comments what you think about using flamethrowers in the fight against the murder hornets. Subscribe and watch our other videos from the world of weapons. See you in the new video.